This is true alcoholism.
Alright.
Hold on.
What did you do?
Oh, wait. You actually gotta see. You gotta see. I was like this, right? I was like running, it's like... Alright. Alright, for all the viewers, because I am making them put this on YouTube, for all the viewers out there, this is probably one of the shittiest YouTube videos you'll ever see in your life. I'm not gonna lie. We're gonna do Jaeger bombs. I'm probably gonna chug the rest of my beer, and then we're gonna make fart jokes. Why would people do this? Why would a fat kid do this? I mean, my milkshake brings all the boys to the yard, but what the fuck? What the fuck? Shut up! Shut up, both y'all. Yeah, no. This is a serious moment. This is a serious... Oh! Alright. 1, 2, 3. I found a used napkin.
I just use it to get water off my hands
That's cool. It's not like I haven't had nasty shit on my face before. Don't say a word. See.